Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Students, today in this lecture we'll be discussing about some of the important short questions of the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. So let's start. Now the first question is, state the function of histones in DNA packaging. Okay, now in DNA packaging, the histones, they play a very important role, as when we have discussed the structure of nucleosome. Okay, then I have explained you everything. Now the functions of histones are, they play a role in gene regulation, first function. Then they help the DNA to wind around it. Third one, the histones are positively charged proteins which can easily bind to the negatively charged DNA. So these are the functions of histones in DNA packaging. Now moving to the next question, what is the difference between heterochromatin and euchromatin? Now heterochromatin is a tightly packed DNA which can be identified when stained in an extreme nuclear stain. Euchromatin is a lightly packed DNA which can be identified when stained in less nucleus stain. So, जो tightly packed dark colored region, that is termed as heterochromatin inside the nucleus. Okay, and the lightly stained, loosely packed, that is known as the euchromatin. Okay, now next question. Name any three viruses with RNA as a genetic material. The viruses in which the genetic material is RNA is called RNA virus. Okay, that you all know. Now the three such type of viruses are influenza virus, next hepatitis C virus, and then human immunodeficiency virus, that is your HIV virus. Now these are the viruses where the genetic material is RNA. Now next question is, what is DNA polymorphism? Now, DNA polymorphism is the variation in the DNA sequence arising due to mutation at non-coding sequence. So, non-coding sequence are the sequence which does not code for any protein. जो किसी भी प्रोटीन के लिए कोड नहीं करते हैं, they are the non-coding sequence. सो डीएनए पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म, पॉली मीन्स होता है मैनी एंड मॉर्फिज्म मीन्स होता है मॉर्फोलॉजी. सो डीएनए पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म जो है, इट इज़ ड्यू टू द म्यूटेशन दैट इज़ द चेंज इन द डीएनए सीक्वेंस at non-coding sequence. So this is termed as polymorphism. Next question है, the sequence of the coding strand of DNA in a transcription unit is mentioned below. Now this is the sequence, as you can see 3 prime to 5 prime direction दिया है और ये sequence दिया है. Now अब आपको क्या करना है, write the sequence for its complementary strand. पहले complementary strand के लिए लिखना है and then its messenger RNA. Okay, now complementary strand means you have to write this sequence in the reverse direction. If you talking about, as you all know, जो DNA के दो strands होते हैं, they are anti-parallel होते हैं, opposite polarity show करते हैं. अगर एक का डायरेक्शन 3 प्राइम टू 5 प्राइम है तो दूसरा 5 प्राइम टू 3 प्राइम होगा. तो जब हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्टैंड्स का सीक्वेंस लिखेंगे तो हम उस केस में डायरेक्शन को जस्ट रिवर्स रखेंगे 5 प्राइम to 3 prime. Okay, and then we will start writing the coding sequence. Okay, so adenine will be always coded with thymine, as you all know. So जहाँ जहाँ adenine होगा वहाँ क्या आ जाएगा, thymine, और जहाँ जहाँ thymine होगा वहाँ क्या आ जाएगा, adenine. Then guanine is always coded with cytosine. Okay, so as you can see guanine के place पे cytosine है and cytosine की place में guanine है. So in the same way you will write this complementary strands. जिस तरह base pairs जो हैं जिसके साथ भी वो complement बनाते हैं, in the same way you will write the initials. Okay, now next है its messenger RNA. Now messenger RNA का जब हम sequence लिखेंगे, so the direction will be same, but as you all know, in case of messenger RNA, now adenine जो है, adenine is joined with uracil, not with thymine. इन केस ऑफ आरएनए दिस यू नीड टू रिमेंबर कि एडेनिन हमेशा पेयरिंग जो है वो यूरेसिल के साथ करता है, थाइमीन उसमें एब्सेंट होता है in case of RNA. So in place of thymine it is always uracil. So the sequence will be same. ओके हम सेम सीक्वेंस लिखेंगे. ओके सो बट यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जहाँ जहाँ थाइमीन होगा वहाँ वहाँ क्या आ जाएगा, यूरेसिल आ जाएगा. एज यू कैन सी टी के प्लेस पे क्या आ गया, टी के प्लेस पे आ गया यू. ओके जहाँ जहाँ भी इसमें टी था वहाँ पे इसमें उस प्लेस पे क्या आ जाएगा, उस प्लेस पे यू आ जाएगा. ओके सो दिस इज़ द योर मैसेंजर आरएनए सीक्वेंस. Okay, now next question is retrovirus do not follow central dogma. Comment on this statement. Now the answer is retrovirus they do not follow central dogma because in retrovirus RNA is the genetic material, as you all know. So instead of DNA, RNA is the genetic material. So what happened? This RNA is converted into DNA by the enzyme reverse transcriptase. ठीक है, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगा बट इसमें रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगा बिकॉज this RNA is changed into DNA first. Okay, so that's why it does not follow central dogma. Central dogma में क्या होता है, DNA to RNA and then RNA to protein. But here RNA will change first into DNA. Next, mention any two functions of AUG codon. So AUG codon जो है, it is also known as start codon, and the two important functions are it codes for methionine. Methionine अमीनो एसिड है उसके लिए कोड करता है. सेकेंडली इट एक्ट्स एज इनिशिएशन कोडॉन फॉर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. ओके ये इनिशिएट करता है प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस को, सो दैट इज़ द स्टार्ट कोडॉन, इसीलिए इसको बोलते हैं. ओके सो दीज आर द फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू एवरीवन.